Hi guys, Paul here from Beginner Guitar Academy, and in this video we are checking out the Hardest Buttons button by the White Stripes. Now it's an awesome riff to get your power chords or 3-finger power chords really rocking. So we're going to pick each string one at a time so we can work on arpeggio playing and transitioning from E string to the A string. So really go on to develop those techniques. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. And also head over to beginnerguitaracademy.com/blog to download the tab for this video, as this is one in a series of 4 White Stripe riffs. So now we've got that out of the way, let's dive in and take a look at the song. The Hardest Buttons button is just a power chord shape. Now we've got a 3-finger power chord shape. So we're going to start in the key of A, so A5. And so first finger is fret 5 on the E string. Third finger, fret 7 on the A string, with pinky underneath that, fret 7 on the D string. Now arpeggiating the A5, meaning we're picking the notes of the chord one at a time. And we're going to start on string 6, then string 4, string 5, and then string 6 again. So 6, 4, 5, 6. 6, 4, 5, 6. And let's play the 8th note, so 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now there's a rest soon after you've played those 4 notes, so you pick, stop with the right hand. And you want to let the notes ring out. So let ring, so just leave them sounding, all it's blending into one another. With a little stop at the end. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4. We're going to take that shape, drop it down. So our first finger's on the A string, third finger on the D, and pinky on the G. Then slide back to fret 3 for a C5. Same picking. When I say same picking, it's the same kind of pattern, but we've dropped down a string. So it's A string, G string, D string, A string, or 5, 3, 4, 5. Again, letting the notes ring out, and then stopping at the end. Now we're going to go between those chords basically 3 times. So we do our A, then to the C, back to A, C, and A, then C. So 3 times around the A and C. Now you saw me there just keeping that shape rigid. So keep fingers really stiff, really strong, and just move the shape around. Try not to put fingers down one at a time. That's going to really slow it down. Keep fingers strong and just drop it down and move it back up again. Okay, so we've done the A and C 3 times. We finished with the C the 3rd time. So on the C, we're then going to slide back to fret 2 for a B5. Same picking as we would do on the C. Then slide to fret 5 for a D5. So the 3rd time around the A and C, let's take from there. So we've got the A, to the C, back to B at fret 2, then D at fret 5. And that is the whole riff. So keep fingers rigid. Make sure we get all the notes going. All saying nice and clear. A little stop at the end. So 3 times around, so it's been the 3rd time now. So C, back to B at fret 2, D at fret 5. And there we go, the Hardest Buttons button by the White Stripes.